Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the UAE Pavilion in Expo 2020. Right now I am waiting for my turn as I get it, so I'm going to enter the pavilion.
So guys, after 45 minutes of waiting, we're quite close now. It's a really long time. See.
Hi, welcome. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. Welcome to the UAE Pavilion. Ticket number 7. Wait for this number to be pulled inside, please.
Thank you. So there is a ticket. Then when your ticket number is called, then you're invited in. We're gonna sit here now and we'll wait for our number 7. And the numbers are gonna be called on that screen over there. It's quite good actually. They have this thing also over here. Maybe you can see through it. Let's check. What is that? Let's meet at the volcano fountain. What's in here? The postcards I've collected over the years show vanished layers of urban life in the UAE. Man, this kid is taking the place. What is in this? My father and his friends strike poses at Sharjah's newly opened landmark, the Blue Souk, 1983. They have made this pavilion as symbolizing the falcon, which is the national bird. So guys, now it's showing number 6 and our number is 7. So we're next. The number 7 has been called and let's go in. Okay, so now we have to go down from here. Oh, finally, UAE Pavilion. So now we have to wait here again. Now we're going in. Doors are open. Shows sand dunes and desert.
The pavilion shows Bedouins who used to travel through these hot deserts on camels. Then later, they show the unity of the 7 Emirates and talk a little about their industrial development and how this was all a dream 50 years ago. The pavilion also describes how the people used to follow their culture and used to do pearl diving and agriculture for trade. The screens also show the evolution of sporting activities, mechanical industries and chemical industries. This large screen over here describes the future of the industry in the United Arab Emirates. Now we are on our way to a cinema in the pavilion in which they are going to show us a video showing development of the UAE. On the way to the cinema, there are pictures of different hobbies, jobs and nationalities like American, Indian and Filipino. The show is approximately 3 minutes long only and I have cut it to 1.5 minutes for you guys. As you go further, there is a place where it shows how UAE is heading over to a more sustainable future.
Cloud seeding.
Eco-friendly masks.
These are where the exports come from.
These are non-toxic pesticides. Regenerative stem cells inhalation therapy. This shows about solar power. This shows a proper way of being sustainable, which is converting old tires into new roads. These are spider web-like nanofiber membranes that traps and filters bacteria and viruses. These are electro-responsive carbon nanotube membranes, and this is used for early detection and prevention of system failure. This is highly efficient reverse osmosis membrane which helps to remove salts and produce drinkable water. This is mostly used in desalination plants, especially in Dubai and the UAE. This is creating concrete from desalination waste. And now I got my stamp.
So guys, we have come out of the UAE Pavilion. From there, it was worth it. It was really good.
Bye guys, and see you in the next video.